Understanding the phrase, tool down, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to dive into the meaning and usage of the phrase, tool down. This might be a new phrase for many of you, but by the end of this video, you'll have a good understanding of it and know how to use it in your conversations. So, let's get started. Tool down is a phrase that is not extremely common but can be heard in specific contexts, primarily in workplaces or during physical labor. To understand it better, let's break down the phrase. Tool. This word often refers to an instrument or device used to carry out a function or achieve a result. In this phrase, it typically represents the tools used for work or construction. Down. This word can have several meanings depending on the context. In tool down, it suggests a cessation or pause in activity. When put together, tool down essentially means to stop working or to take a break from work. Tool down is commonly used in construction sites, workshops, or other settings where physical labor and tools are involved. It's a casual way to indicate that it's time to take a break, stop working, or possibly to end the workday. For example, a supervisor might say, "All right, everyone, it's time to tool down and take a break." This means that the workers should stop what they are doing, put their tools down, and rest for a while. Now that you know what tool down means and the context in which it is used, let's look at some example sentences. 1. After hours of intense work, the construction workers were relieved to hear the foreman yell, "Tool down." 2. At 5 p.m. sharp, everyone in the workshop tools down and heads home. 3. The artist decided to tool down for the day, satisfied with the progress on her painting. And that's a wrap on today's video. We hope that you now have a clear understanding of the phrase, tool down, and feel confident using it in the appropriate context. Remember, language learning is a journey, and you're doing great. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more English language learning content. Until next time, keep practicing, and see you in the next video.